Welcome to Hannah and Ellen Happy World. Hi kids, today I went to my friend Sara's house and then she gave me all of this. Okay, first let's see these M&Ms. I hope it's milk chocolate. Yahoo! Milk chocolate, the one I like. I don't like the peanut. See, 3 packets. 1, 2, and 3.
Wow, 3 packets. Do you like Ellie? M&M? I think she have not tried it before.
Yeah, maybe later we'll let her try a bit.
Yeah, she get hooked to it.
Okay. So this is all the toys my friend Sara made.
Wow, her drawing is so beautiful, right?
Look, there's even shimmer and shine.
What are all those? Blind bags. She made blind bags for you.
What is this?
What does it
We
say?
need the pot.
What does it say?
Nothing, just a heart.
Okay, can open it.
It's so small. Yeah, I only can see the bum. Wow, it's a little koala bear.
See? Oh, that's cute.
Okay, let me open this thing now.
Koala bear. Ellie, for
It
you.
looks like a shotgun. What's this? Hello Kitty. Okay, this big one. Ooh, it's a squishy.
Hello, Kitty.
I feel it's a squishy. Let me see. It is a squishy. It's a llama. Oh, it's already cut it. Squish, squish. Okay, let me open this.
Let me see it. So cute. Squish, 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 squish.
My friend said if you put inside the color will change.
Oh, what happened?
I think there's another LOL because nothing happened.
Wink, wink, wink. Cold water.
Rainbow Dash. Okay.
Oh.
Rainbow Dash. I've got the same upstairs.
See? Wow.
The same Rainbow Dash I have upstairs. Okay, this. I think this is our last slide. Oh no.
Lisa, you like which one?
Wait, there's something here. It is a princess.
A princess. So this must be. I think you didn't check. What color was it earlier?
It was peach and pink, and it's now still the same. Mama. Change. Mama.
And then you put this color here.
Wait, I think she said a squishy.
Ah, it's the LOL.
What?
I think you changed the. No! Now they're dipping everything in.
Wow. I think you're done.
Hannah,
Thank you, Sara.
you may say what? Elisa?
Nothing is working.
Elisa say what?
Not even her panties.
Okay, bye.
Oh, it's wow.
What do you want to open?
This Hershey's.
Oh, you want to try this? You have tried that before.
Let me get it open. Wow, so cool. Oh, it's all silver. Yeah, what a nice box. Kisses. Okay, let's
Gold
try
kisses.
the cookies and cream. I haven't tried it before. Anyone want to try this?
No, you don't put this inside. You don't put this inside. It's all wet now. Then you put all this.
My little sister called chocolate as a chocolate. Okay, come on. Ooh, it's all white. I think I ate this.
Yummy?
Yummy. Bye-bye.
She's so busy eating. And Ellie is so busy playing. Say bye.